Would you like to send cards with a little bit of a difference? Cards that are going to give you that wow factor that everyone wants to look at? Well, I'm going to teach you how. In this online workshop, I'm going to teach you how to make pop-up cards. I'm going to teach you how to make 6 different styles. You're going to get your cutting and scoring guide to make these as well, with the mats and layers as well, so you haven't got to worry about any of the measurements. I've taken care of all of it for you. So there's 6 different styles. We're going to do a fan card. We are going to do a pop-out card with all those elements inside there. We're going to do a pop-up card. So I'm going to teach you how to make all these mechanisms, all the cutting and scoring. So you're going to do a hammock card, because this one hangs like a hammock. We're going to do a hidden slider, but a hidden slider that's a hidden double slider card. And we're also going to do a twin slider card, that when it stands up, everybody's going to be looking inside the card, not on the outside. So if you like to make cards with a bit of a difference, if you want to learn how to make these wonderful pop-out cards, 6 different styles, join me with the online workshop. You'll receive step-by-step videos for each and every one, plus a gallery at the end with some other ideas on how to use the cards, and your cutting and scoring guide there. And the great thing is, with this, the online workshop, you can come back and watch as many times as you like, as often as you like. So if ever you need to send that special card for someone moving house, or just because it's that someone's birthday, you've got all the measurements for your mats, layers, and all the mechanisms on how to make these wonderful cards. So I'm Dawn from Dawn's Inspirations, and I will look forward to seeing you in the online workshop to create these 6 stunning cards.